it is very, very clear now and very obvious that there has been a deliberate campaign to smear my name, to try and destroy the name of the Federation, to bring this game into disrepute. We shall not allow it as FKF. And this, I think, is so critical and so important that every Kenyan understands that you cannot just wake up and throw somebody's name into the public domain with no evidence, with nothing to show, just with the aim of trying to take over an office illegally. We will not accept it, and we will fight very hard. Let me again repeat, there's only one FKF. There's only one president. There's no two FKFs, there's no two presidents, there's no factions. We have one united FKF that has these members of Congress as the ultimate decision makers in matters to do with how the Federation is constituted and how it is run.